Gut warning. Doctors are shocked by this Flora hack that rebuilds your digestive system, like you're 20. Again, click first link in description to get started if you're over 40 and struggling with bloating, unpredictable bathroom trips, or stubborn belly fat that just won't budge. It's not your fault. And no gain, it's not your diet or willpower either. It's something much deeper, inside your gut. A rogue imbalance that silently affects over 70 million Americans is now being linked to weight gain, brain fog, low energy mood swings, and even skin flare-ups. But here's the kicker. Scientists just discovered a bizarre solution that resets your gut microbiome in 7 seconds a day without changing your diet or taking harsh meds. It's called Prime Biome, and it's unlike anything you've seen. In fact, Big Pharma hates this formula so much, they're working overtime to silence the video exposing it. Click here to watch the short video before it disappears. Thousands are already swearing by it, and the results are jaw-dropping. I lost 19 pounds without changing my diet. My digestion is finally normal, and I feel human again. Susan M. But fair warning, this isn't your typical probiotic. It's a next-generation gut formula designed to survive stomach acid and reach your intestines intact. The secret? A rare soil-based strain that supports healthy digestion, mental clarity, and weight control. Fast. Bonus. Early orders may still qualify for a limited-time discount plus free shipping. But you must act now. Watch the free gut health video now. Your belly will thank you later.